Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. This is video 1 of 2 covering school signs. Today, we are going to be learning about classes in ASL. And if you want to be an A+ student, be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up with all things ASL. So let's learn how to sign classes in ASL. Here is a tip before we get started. You will notice that several of the math and science signs look almost identical. The only difference with these signs are changing the letters, which is what we call initialization. This is the base sign for math. But we have algebra, trigonometry, geometry, and calculus. The other initialized signs are science, biology, and chemistry. Now that you have a good starting point, let's learn how to sign even more classes. Class. Class. It's C hands making a group of people. Class. School. School. This is the teacher clapping their hands to get a hold of the class. School. Math. Math. This is the sign for to figure something out, but you're doing it with flat M hands. Math. Algebra. Algebra. You have A hands moving in towards each other, a part of the math family. Algebra. Trigonometry. Trigonometry. It's like the sign math, but with T's. Trigonometry. Geometry. Geometry. You have G hands moving in the motion of the math signs. Geometry. Calculus. Calculus. You have C hands moving in the motion for the math family signs. Calculus. Science. Science. It's like you're in science class and pouring into beakers. Science. Biology. Biology. You're doing B hands and moving them just like the sign for science. Biology. Chemistry. Chemistry. It's like you're pouring in the liquids in chemistry class. Chemistry. ASL, or American Sign Language. ASL. Art. Art. Your finger is drawing like you're in art class. Art. PE, or physical education. It's just the abbreviation PE. PE. Band. Band. You fingerspell band, B-A-N-D. Band. Choir. Choir. This is also the sign for sing. Choir. Theater, or drama, or to act. You're doing A-shaped hands moving in a circular motion towards yourself. Theater, act, or drama. Spanish. Spanish. It's 2 X hands, and your dominant hand is coming down toward your non-dominant. Spanish. English. English. Your non-dominant hand is a fist, and your dominant hand is going on top, tapping it. English. Auto body. Auto body. It's an A and a B, like you're driving a car. Auto body. Computer, or computer. A C hand moving on top of your non-dominant hand, or a C hand up here because a computer is a brain. Computer, computer. Speech. Speech. This is like you're standing up and talking, giving a speech. Speech. Engineering. Engineering. It's like the sign for measure, but you're moving your dominant hand up and down. Engineering. Physiology. Physiology. You're doing P hands going from your shoulders down to your hips. Physiology. Health. Health. You have 2 H hands going down on your body, like in health class when you study about the body. Health. Government. Government. Your index finger is twisting in towards your forehead. Government. Business. Business. Your B hand moves back and forth on your non-dominant hand. Business. Economics. Economics. It's like the sign money, but with the E hand. Economics. Sociology. Sociology. You're making S hands in the shape of a group. Sociology. Geography, or Earth. Now, this represents the globe that you study in geography class, or the Earth that you study in geography class. Geography or Earth. History. History. This is the sign for passed down or generations. History. Agriculture. Agriculture. Or, for abbreviation, AG. Agriculture. Physics. Physics. Both fingers are bent twos, going in towards each other. Physics. Journalism. Journalism. This is also the sign for print or newspaper. Journalism. Photography. Photography. It's just like you're taking pictures in photography class. Photography. Now, as you will have noticed, these are signs for basic classes. If you are wanting to be more specific, you might need to fingerspell the name of the class. For instance, forensic science, you would need to fingerspell forensics, then sign science. Now, let's put these class signs into sentences. I am great at ASL, but I am not very good at chemistry. I good at ASL, but bad at chemistry. The English test is tomorrow. Tomorrow, English test. In college, I'm going to major in engineering. College, I major engineering, I. Are you any good at physics? You? Good at physics, you? My favorite class is history. History class, my favorite. Congratulations! You've aced today's lesson. If you're looking for some extra credit, go to learnhowtosign.org. Now your homework is to keep practicing and keep learning how to sign.